CBSE Class 5th Social Studies Lesson number 1 Globe, a model of the Earth. What is the shape of Earth? The Earth is round in shape. It is slightly flat at the poles and bulks at the equator. Look at this picture. Do you know what it is? It is a globe. As you learnt in earlier classes, the globe is a model of the Earth. The globe shows us the shape and the location of the continents, oceans, and seas on a smaller scale. It is also shows the shape and location of different countries. We can see only half the globe at a time. To see the other half, we have to turn it around. It can be turned around a line passing through it. This line is called the axis. This is an imaginary line. The axis of the globe has two ending points, the North Pole and the South Pole. Star fact: the photographs taken by the space have confirmed that the Earth is round in shape. Latitudes: look at the globe. You will see full circles, then run from east to west. These are called lines of latitudes. They are also called parallels. The equator is the longest and the most important line of latitude. It turns in middle of the globe. It divides the earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The portion which is north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere. The portion which is south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. The lines of latitude or parallels are marked in degrees. The lines of latitude start at the equator. The equator is at 0. The North Pole is 90° north and the South Pole is 90° south. The parallels in the North Hemisphere are marked 10° north, 20° north, and soon on. The parallels in the South Hemisphere are marked 10° south, 20° south, and soon on. Important parallels: Arctic Circle 16.5 north, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 north, Equator 0, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 south, Antarctic Circle 66.5 south. Lines of longitude: look at the globe. You will find semicircles joining the North Pole and the South Pole. These are called lines of longitude or meridians. Meridians are also imaginary lines. They are numbered from 0 to 180. All meridians are equal in length. The meridian passing through Greenwich near London is taken as the starting line. It is 0% longitude. It is called the prime meridian. Longitudes to the east of Greenwich are called east longitudes E, and those to the west are called west longitudes. There are 360 longitudes, 180 longitudes to the west of the prime meridian and 180 to its east. Grid: the latitudes and longitudes intersect each other at right angles and form a network. This network is called a grid. Star fact: the word meridian comes from the Latin word called meridies, which means midday. Anti-meridian AM meaning before noon and post-meridian PM meaning afternoon are derived from meridies. The grid helps us in locating places. For example, if we want to locate Puducherry, we must know its latitude and longitude. The place where these two cross each other is called Puducherry. World power axis: imaginary line around which the earth rotates. Equator: the largest parallel. It divides earth into two equal halves, hemispheres. Let's us recall. The earth is round in shape. A globe is a model of the earth. Latitudes are imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator. Longitudes are semicircles that join the North Pole to the South Pole. The latitudes and longitudes cross each other to form a grid. Thank you.